Hello, Shay. Can you please press the panic button? Because I can't move my hands. I'm not in a good shape right now.
Oh, Nkosi yami ndodana, engathi sima inkinga la, ngoba angikuzwa ngempela ukuthi uthini kahle kahle.
Shay, we are stuck inside this elevator. Can you please press the panic button? I can't move my hands right now. I'm not in a good shape. Please help you. Hayi ngeke. Engathi ndodana komele uvele uwacishe amanzi ngoba angikuzwa mina. Kodwa-ke akusenani. Bekezela wena-ke izawuvuleka lento-ke bese-ke uthola umuntu ozokwazi-ke ukukusiza-ke phela. Sure, I can understand Zulu, I do. But now I can't talk right. I can't speak Zulu, but I can understand it. The problem is the elevator is stuck and no one can help us. So we can press the panic button so we can notify the security or emergency. Please press the button. I can't, my hands, I can't move. I only move legs. Please try to understand. We've been here for the last 3 hours, which means this is not moving at all. So, we are not going anywhere. We are stuck. The elevator is not moving. Oh my lord. What must I see to make this guy understand? Oh, help us.
Oh, Nkosi yami isona lo mfana. Oh, akaqondi ukuthi mina angimuzwa ngempela. Kodwa-ke Nkosi yami nale nto esigibele iyofika nini phezulu. Kade sihambe Nkosi yami. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi naye uselambile futhi ukhathele. Ngoba akaphilile phela. Kodwa-ke oh Jehova, siza nangomthwalo wakho. Kodwa nami ngilambile-ke manje futhi.